Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great honor that I address you today on this significant occasion.
On October 31st, 2024, marking the 150th birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's National Security Advisor Ajit Doval delivered a speech that has sent ripples across policy circles. His message was stark and unambiguous. Governance is India's first line of defense. Speaking at the 6th Sardar Patel Lecture on Governance, Doval argued that strong institutions and effective governance matter more than military might or natural resources. His warning was clear: lose the trust of your citizens, and no external power can save you. Drawing from 3 millennia of recorded history, Doval traced the collapse of great empires, not to external invasions, but to internal decay. His analysis was data-driven. Of 37 countries that faced degradation in the post-war period, 28 failed or fragmented due to poor governance. Authoritarianism, institutional decay, corrupt bureaucracies, and economic failures, these were the common threads of collapse. Turning to India's immediate neighborhood, Doval offered a controversial assessment of recent regime changes in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. Sheikh Hasina's hasty departure from Dhaka in August 2024, Gotabaya Rajapaksa's ouster in 2022, Nepal's government change last month, Doval argued these weren't triumphs of people power, but failures of governance. When institutions decay and citizens lose faith, even democracies crumble. But Doval didn't spare democracy itself from scrutiny. While acknowledging its successes, he warned of a dangerous trend. The NSA described what he called a shift from politics of winning votes to politics of breaking society, where leaders find it easier to divide people than unite them. If a candidate has 25 votes out of 100, he argued, they often prefer fracturing the opposition rather than building consensus. This, Doval warned, weakens not just governance, but the nation itself. Invoking Sardar Patel's legacy of unifying 500 princely states into one nation, Doval called for reinventing that vision for 2025. The challenges ahead are unprecedented: artificial intelligence, cyber threats, economic pressures, and geopolitical flux. Doval emphasized that strong institutions, transparency, and the empowerment of women are non-negotiable pillars of modern governance. He stressed that India needs not just good laws and systems, but effective implementation. As India navigates what Doval called an orbital shift in its trajectory, his message resonates beyond policy halls. In an era where nations can crumble not from external attack, but internal neglect, governance isn't just about administration, it's about survival. In a world of rapid transformation, Ajit Doval's lecture serves as both a warning and a call to action. Build strong institutions, deliver justice, maintain trust. Because in the end, governance isn't just policy, it's the foundation upon which nations stand or fall.